as for me, Sir Julius, I'm not that kind of woman na who invests on her looks. So I'm more of a type na I'd really like to invest in my experiences and in things that I can do more. Example, with intelligence, I have a lot of things in my head na I'm planning. I just actually finished my master's sa PCU, Manila, Dasmariñas.
Master's in Public
Administration. And actually, before I entered the academy, I was able to pass the licensure examination for teachers.
Sa mga taga-Escalante, atuan ni Inday Gamay's Lechon House. Crispy outside, tender and juicy inside. Quality hogs for quality lechon cooked with a secret spice mix. Inday Gamay's Lechon House. Every order of whole lechon comes with free dinuguan and special sauce. Also available, lechon kanding, lechon belly, and ulo lechon. Inday Gamay's Lechon House at Jose Abad Santos Street, Purok Malinawon, Barangay Balintawak, Escalante City. For bookings and inquiries, message us on Inday Gamay's Lechon on Facebook or cell phone number 0919-541-1382. Inday Gamay's Lechon House, Ayog Tutuki, Tilawi. Water is life. Clean water is important to good health. In Escalante City, there is one trusted source, Drinkwell Purified Water Station. Purified using a no-salt system purification process. Guaranteed to give you a pure, clean taste as water should be. Drinkwell Purified Water Station, Hacienda Fe, Escalante City. For orders or delivery, call or message us on 0946-403-5403 or 0927-153-4490.
Colegio San Agustin Bacolod offers Bachelor of Science in Medical Technology, recently granted an authority by the Commission on Higher Education Regional Office 6 to reopen for the conduct of limited face-to-face classes. Our medical technology program aims to develop competent Augustinian medical technologists. Enrollment is ongoing. Choose quality. Choose Colegio San Agustin Bacolod. Your school, your home.
Ari bulong bumiso.
Thank you.
Ano yun mo, sir? Isa lang kasi Teresin.
Grace Pharmacy. Serbisyo nga wala pili.
RD Ong's line of products, making your vehicle tough for roads less traveled. You've tasted empanaditas and buns, but have you ever tasted papas con chorizo, curried chicken, pulled pork, double cheese, and tuna basil? Only Jinkies Kitchen offers these flavors. Catch a bite now of Jinkies Kitchen empanaditas and buns at Kmart, Monsterific at Singkang and Talisay City, San Carlos, Silay City, Lopez East Center, and Lopez San Sebastian. Jinkies Kitchen empanaditas and buns, a pocket full of goodness.
And Lieutenant Abigail Donasco is here with us. She is the Public Information Officer sa Negros Occidental Provincial Police Office. This will be our last interview with you as Provincial PIO.
Yes,
Nanong
yes.
natabo?
It's actually a bittersweet goodbye for me.
Wow.
I'm happy to be assigned in a police station, but at the same time, subo gid ko no, Sir Julius, because this is my first assignment actually. After PNPA, na-assign ko sa Police Regional Office 6 for a short time. So, I consider this as my very first assignment for almost 2 years. So, I cannot actually explain kung ano ang akong mabatsyagan, but at the same time, thankful gid ko no sa tanan experiences na ako naagyan with NOC PPO, and with all the things that I learned in these past 2 years, with the media friends as well. Grabe gid ang ilang pagbaton sa akon, and hearing no the news na I'll be replaced, damo man nagsend sa akon private message saying na they will miss me. So that alone, it's fulfilling man and rewarding, na amo na they see me as a person man na was able to do my job.
Of course, damo dayon sang rumors nga amadula si Lieutenant Donasco nga nagpuli isa sa Cagayan de Oro. May gasuspitso gani nga mapakasal ka na mo?
No.
Not yet.
Not yet.
If you won't mind, you are how young now?
28 years old. I just turned 28 last April. Wow, old na siya actually, Sir Julius, no?
In the service?
No, I mean, it's a marrying age.
Oh.
But we will wait for God's right time. Wala man tagin. We're not in a rush. Pero pag mag-30 na, I think MG malapit na. Pero anyways, I'm good.
Yes. Of course, kadamo sang naagyan mo as PIO. One of which, of course, is dealing with reporters. And it's not an easy job to deal with reporters. Kaya damo, kung tawag sa English, kadamo sang eccentric. Kung sa Ilonggo, damo buangit sa reporter mo. How has that experience shaped you or reshaped you?
Well, I will not rebut no sa gambal mo. Damo gid eccentric na media, but all is taken well. I did not take it to the bone actually. I saw it as an experience na not all people can actually experience that. Sir Julius, no, we can be deputy, damo pwede ma-deputy at this age, at this rank, lieutenant, but being provincial PIO, I think it's harder than what they think it is. And dealing with the media people, actually enjoyed the 2 years, no, and that is the diversity. Lain-lain man kita pamatasan, we cannot expect all, no, na mangin mabuot sa aton. That is why gina-challenge kita, and when we're challenged, we do not back down. So we deal it humbly man as well. Especially
now sa information landscape nga ang information is very fast ang flow niya. And so is disinformation. May iban nga mga tao nga ang mga kuno feeling reporter man mas pagkita sang insidente, kuan picture and then i-report, no? Without even waiting for the official police report, which we reporters do.
Yes.
Medyo amo ng problem subong, pero I'll ask your thoughts about it dugay-dugay. Pero may ara ko ipamangkot karon sa imo, ginaabanse ko lang. Sa dugay ko na bala nga pagka-reporter for like 25 years, ang ginalibugan sang ulo ko nga hindi ta na lang pag-ilungguhon ang blatter ka pulis. Sa tuod lang. Kaya nag-create ni kisa confusion pero pakarunan ko na. I'll ask you about your thoughts on how you see the current information landscape. And paano dapat mag-respond ang police to that?
Yes, actually, we live in a digital world. Hindi na naton, we cannot stop it na sometimes information comes first from the public, from the netizens, from the people across the universe. They come first than us. Kay amo na, isa ka share, isa ka like, isa ka comment, mauna gid sila compared sa aton na kapulisan. So I think that is something na katabo na subong. We cannot back down. Kita pwede atras kumbaga or isol, ilonggo term. What we can do actually is to go with it and to do some means and ways para man we can cope and we can keep up the pace sa information subong.
Pero nalipat ko, Bisaya man pud ka, no?
Yes,
Bisaya.
I can speak Bisaya. I can speak Ilonggo a little bit.
Oh.
So, yes, both.
Makasulti man ko Bisaya pero dili pagid bansay ba. Pero okay lang. Ma-multilingual lang ta.
Yes.
Now, has that how did you respond to that? When you say grabe kadasig sang information landscape, as I have said again, I will say again, ang information is fast ang iyang speed. But so is disinformation. That's a challenge not only for you as police, but even for us, nga mga reporters. Kiti ang challenge, dapat mas dasig kami.
Yes.
But without sacrificing, syempre, accuracy and facts. Paano ka nag-respond to that? Kisa ang problema sa police, and this is a criticism. Hinay ka mo magpagawa report or hinay ka mo mag-react to incidents, for example.
Actually, I understand what you're saying, Sir Julius. The thing here is we undergo processing sang aton investigation. We investigate things and we want to report straight facts on a factual basis. Hindi man kita pwede mag-report sang palagpat.
Correct.
Kay one mistake will cost the life of our investigator. And of course, in a case, may ara man kita complainant, may ara man kita ang victim naton, may ara man kita ang respondent, So, kung magpagwa kita sang sala na balita, then in the end, mabalik man sa aton ang fault.
I'll go to some crime statistics, Anay. It's now the Tiempo Muerto, dead season sa sugar industry. And usually when you say tigkiriwi sa industriya sa Kalamay, along with it goes, syempre, not a justification, pero ga-increase ang kinawatay, crimes against person, crimes against property. Pag abot ya sang galing, as what happens here sa Negros Occidental, gadamok isang binunanay, kiting mga worker, may inugbakal naman ilimnon mo.
Yes.
Rambol, binunanay. Subong, what have you noticed sa tigkiriwi? Nagsaka ang kinawatay.
Actually, that is right, bago ko lang na, just a week ago, I heard that term, tigkiriwi.
Yes, ma'am.
And that means that dead season, wala harvest, wala ang aton tubo, So, actually, we have a comparative data, Sir Julius, from January to June 2021 to January to June 2022. So, actually,
wow, may prompter.
Actually, sir, nag-increase kita, I will just sum it up.
Yes, ma'am.
Nag-increase kita 45 incidents. That is aton 8 focused crimes, which is 17% man ang increase from 2022 to 2021. So that explains nga there is a part sang tigkiriwi na ga-affect gid bala sang commission of crime.
For a bit, ma'am, can we have context to that? Nag-increase by 45 incidents or,
yes, or 17%.
More or less 17%.
Yes.
Ang incidents sang 8 focus crimes, ano nga period ni siya?
That is from January to June 2021 and January to June 2022. So, kumbaga, nag-increase kita to 45 incidents sining a year compared last year.
Allow me to ask you a bit further, Partisina. When you say 8 focus crimes, could you kindly tell us, nano ganun yung 8 focus crimes?
8 focus crimes na to, murder, homicide, physical injury, physical injury, rape, may robbery man kita, and theft, dala no, what you're talking about, tsaka ang aton carnapping sa motorcycle, kag ang aton 4 wheels man.
Interesting.
Yes,
Nagsaka ang carnapping ta subong.
Actually, ang aton data for June 2021 is nagsaka man siya. Oo. So, sa aton nagsaka kita sang 8 incidents for both carnapping sa motorcycle kag sa aton 4 wheels.
That is quite interesting because
Excuse me.
even sa US, may gina-report sila subong increase in carnapping cases because nagsaka ang presyo sang second-hand cars. Now, that is quite interesting. Diri, amo man gini, may similar trend, no? Ang 8 focus crimes, by the way, amo ning ginatawag ta sang una nga index crimes.
Yes.
So, punishable under the revised penal code.
Yes, precisely.
And the non-index, ang special laws.
Special penal
SPL.
laws. Yes.
All right. O, at least clear na. Kay subong lain na focus crimes naman, no?
Yes.
Sa una, sang daan ka nga reporter, index crimes. Siyempre,
Yes.
hindi man tanan nga reporter, kaya hindi na mo.
Yes.
Siya na ko ng index.
Only people in the business like you, Sir Julius, na lawig-lawig na.
Not everyone actually.
Not everyone.
Not everyone.
Pagigili.
Not everyone in the
Okay.
business. Ano kaning spelling ka index? Basta X ang punta. Anyway. So, was it an enjoyable experience as PIO? Although desk job, ara ka mainly sa office mo. Why ka
Yes.
man naburingan?
Actually, sir, hindi man gid kami amo na siya gid implement ko actually. During my stint, we launched programs sa aton office ang Lokpo sa radyo. So every Sunday may ara kami ginakadtuan duha ka stations, may time slot na kami to. I will not mention na lang
Of course.
kung ano na radio stations, but that is every Sunday. Kag every Wednesday may man kami NOC PPO Goes Live. So ang ginahimo namon, first namon na edition is ang gina-interview namon is ang mayors. So LGU per city and municipality sa Negros. So that was also my way na makalagaw-lagaw man and to go around Negros Occidental.
But that of course takes away your weekends.
Every Wednesday, sir, may program
Wednesday.
kami.
Alright.
That is live. Amo to ang nagpasaka man sa amon likers, amon subscribers. So, the impact of our programs man sa PPO, PIO is very rewarding kay nagdamo gid ang nakakilala sa Negros Occidental Police Provincial
No,
Office.
I have to ask you about this, but I hope you won't misinterpret me. Kadamo gid sa naga-mention nga gwapa ka nga PIO di ba? Gwapa si Lieutenant Tunasco, even among reporters, no? Siyempre kita isang una, why pa man bayi mo?
Okay.
Do ikaw ang first nga PIO sa probinsya?
Actually, Mr. May-ara naman
Wala
last
ko kadumdum.
2018
Sino?
in the person of Major Cordua, sir. Si Ma'am Irene Simbenko.
Wala ako kadumdum. Ay, kay 2018, wala pa ako nakabalik sa media bago lang ko ito nag-ayaw sa stroke. But anyway, the point nga ginmuno ko na sa imo is this. Does it sometimes take away ang tawag lang impresyon ni si Lieutenant gwapa lang na, pero they don't really judge you for what you can do as a
Yes.
police officer. Is it something nga nagalimit kisa sa imo?
I will not rebut man na.
Nagwapa ka?
Hindi. Na sometimes, really, ang charm, or we'll say, ang beauty, sometimes they will see you as a person lang na, gwapa lang na sa, asta lang na sa da.
There you go.
She cannot do anything more than how she looks. But, as for me, Sir Julius, I'm not that kind of woman na who invests on her looks. So, I'm more of a type na I'd really like to invest in my experiences and in things that I can do more. Example, with intelligence, I have a lot of things in my head na I'm planning. I just actually finished my master's
Wow.
sa
In?
PCU, Manila, Dasmariñas.
Masters in Public Ad?
Administration. And actually, before I entered the academy, I was able to pass the licensure examination for teachers. So, yes.
Oh, let's talk about that. So, ang degree mo good is you took up education.
Yes.
Secondary or primary?
Primary. Elementary education.
Elementary ed. And then you passed with, is it correct that you passed with Latin honors?
No.
No. Okay.
Average lang.
So, PCU is?
Philippine Christian University sa Dasmariñas.
Sa Manila ka
Yes.
So, Manila educated, kagali
Not really kay virtual man to siya, sir. So it really affects man. But, you know, I just like to explain man na people should not only invest in their looks.
That's true.
Kasi it's the personality that really matters the most. And most especially ang aton intelligence man, it will bring us miles. So, I hope na they will not only look at me as this person na, pa-charm-charm lang na iya si ma'am, pa-smile-smile lang na saya. But I'm a woman who can do anything man, as long as it's legal and nagasunod man kita sa batas.
Scary creatures in your house? Call ISK Tech Pest Management Services. They know what to do.
Nature's Perfect Lunchbox. For perfect eggs, fresh and clean, guaranteed all the time. For orders, text or call 0907-838-7958. Cecilia's Negrense Delicacies. Freshly baked happiness with every bite. Bulong nga barato, kalidad nga garantisado. ValleyMed Pharmacy, now open to serve you in Bacolod City at Quezon Building, corner Gatuslao, San Sebastian Streets.
Or of course, as in your line of work as PIO in the past, it does count if you have charm, no? And if you look good on the camera. Diba? Sang PIO ka. But let me tell you this. Ako, okay na ako ng bahay, gwapa, no? Until she opens her mouth. Kaya mayroon nga, gwapa, pero paghambal, doon sa riwa, olaw. Especially mag-PIO ka, you have to talk sense eh. You have to talk sense as PIO, hindi ba? Now, let's go back sa crime, Anay. During your stint, 2 years sa PIO, what have you noticed sa crime diri sa Negros Occidental?
Actually, ang increase gid naton started on the year 2022. Since the crime naton from 2020 to 2021 nagdubo man sa, no? So, I think that will explain na after the pre-pandemic period, which is the pandemic period, and now, pandemic man ta Japon, but most of the people are living normally na compared to the year 2020 and 2021. So, they have more avenue, they have more chances of winning, kumbaga, or they have more chances of creating crimes. Amo na nga nagsaka ang aton crimes sa 2022. But as of this moment, amo lang na ang matag ko, sir.
Yes, no problem.
Ang January to June. Pero in the first half gali sang 2022, amo na nga may increase man kita.
So you think nga, is it possible nga ang return of normalcy or whatever it is after the pandemic, ang height niya was 2 years ago, nag-contribute man to the return of crimes to its pre-pandemic rates?
Yes, yes. Diri lang na sa Negros Occidental, we're
Yes.
talking about Negros Occidental. Amo to, as I mentioned earlier, may increase kita no to 45 incidents. 8 focus crime alone lang ina. I don't have the record for the non-index crime and ang aton mga traffic incidents as well.
Okay, a bit if you have the data, only if you have the data. Usually, pag abot sang milling season, ga-increase man ang aton nga mga road accidents wala.
Actually, ang ga-increase gid naton, sir, ang mga hacking, no? Amo na. You explained it earlier.
Yes.
Thank you for that. Pero amo gina ang hacking ta, especially in the northern part of Negros Occidental, nga kung sa diin damo ang aton mga tubo, no? Or like ang northern part. And amo lang na ang akon data na mahatag.
So it's more of hacking kiti damo tapasero.
Yes.
And usually it happens among tapaseros.
Yes.
Aha.
Sila lang na dispute with the salary, wala pa na bayaran, or for example, nakainom na sila, heated argument, then there.
Kadumdum ko sang una, sang peak pa ni Manny Pacquiao, argumento, parte kay Manny Pacquiao mo. Kag kay si Otto, atong boxing, no? No, anyway, so that's very interesting. At least you have noticed that sa imo sining position as PIO. But I'll go sa isa ka medyo, some would say daw kawiti-witi, but I think this has impact eh. I don't know if you have something to say about this. Ang blotters pala. Usually may mga pulis nga ang English proficiency nila hindi man amo na kaayo eh. Of course, we're not saying nga it's bad, no? You can actually be trained to write. Pero may problem kisa ang ga-take sang blotter kung sala-sala. I'll give you an example sang hubin pa kong reporter. May ginsulod nga kalanan. Nag-order sila beer, kag wala gin bayran, kag gindala pa nilang platito. Ang natabo pagtupa sa blatter, they went inside, they ordered beer, and then they 1, 2, 3, and they took the baby plates. Amo ng blatter. Pero ang ako na realize bi Lieutenant is kung magkaso ka kag sala ang unod sang blatter, ipa-recast mo pagid. And it has implications sa pag-file sang criminal case.
Yes.
I don't know nanong imo observation parte sina.
Thank you, sir, for that. Sakto man ina, no? Actually, ako man last time, I went to a police station man. Kag nag-blatter man ako, no? So, we'll not talk about that. And
Ikaw nag-blatter?
Yes, actually. Amo man to akong observation nga there are really things that we need to work on in terms of grammar.
It's not to put down the police.
Yes, of course, I understand. And amo na sa Negros Occidental, diri to sa Bacolod, pero diri sa aton sa Negros Occidental, actually our provincial director has been asking kag ginaano naman nato, no? We're implementing it ang aton investigation, head of investigation, which is S7, muna ang tawag sa aton, to conduct a series of grammar lessons man on how to make spot report, on how paano gini siya bala himuon, and the blotter reports. Actually kita man sa PIO last April man nagkaroon kami ng grammar seminar man sa aton mga investigation PNCOs. Kami man ang nag-conduct sa PIO, kag nag-guest man kami sang iba na media who are well-versed man, no, and nami man ang grammar. So, I'll not mention na lang sin-off, but we're really addressing this, and we're doing our very best na hindi magid overhaul, but I mean, amat-amaton, sir, na they will learn kag ma-change man.
Which brings me to the question, nga hindi pwede nga i-native tongue ta na lang o ilong hiligay non manda o Bisaya ang blatter. And aside from that, i-run in ko na lang ang question may ara sang national law or may policy or may memo from PNP nga dapat English gid?
Actually, sir, it's up with the policymakers man naton. I cannot cite the exact gid, sir, no. I'm sorry. I did not know this will come up, no, but
it's okay.
But
it's
there is amo na nga we use the standard, we use the generalized nato na language which is English in all of our forms, in all of our reports. Amo nang ginasunod ta. So unless there will be some changes, that is the time na magamit man kita sa aton mother tongue based.
Diba? Kaya actually pwede man lang Kaya ang importante man lang clarity Ang police is not expected to make a novela, kundi clarity lang sa reporting, and that would be easier.
Kag hindi man kita American, sir, no, to
hindi ta na mother tongue
mangin expert gid kita sa English language. That is why isa man na sa reasons why you cannot expect all of our policemen to be very
That's true.
To be well versed with the language.
Ti sa tuod lang ato na ni may reporter gani ga boxing man ang grammar diba? Ato lang na ha.
Yes.
Now, well, ini mga bagay ni kun ka isa hindi ini matalupangdan mo unless nga nakita mo gid ikaw as a PIO, nakita mo ini nga mga butang Ano ang what's in store for you?
You mean moving forward?
Moving
sir?
forward.
Yeah. Actually, I'm planning to talk to my COP. Actually, I will hold the WCPD and the investigation section of the station because I'd really like to look into that, and I really do believe that investigation is the heart of policing. Amo gina siya ang meat, no? Amo nang aton defensive, kumbaga defense, tapos after nato na ma-learn, then that is the time na pwede naman kita sa aton offense or ang atake naton, which is the intelligence. So the rest naman ang admin naton, operations, nakakahuna na siya kumbaga. So we can learn it, no, unlike investigation na excuse me, kinahanglan gid naton ang basics, kinahanglan gid naton further studies, kinahanglan gid naton na to learn that kay hindi man na siya sulit-sulit kumbaga. Every day it changes, every blotter report, every situation, every incident ga change gid na sa.
Ka-interesting sang ginambal mo no nga ang investigation is actually your primary weapon as a policeman. Dapat kabalo ka mag-investigar. That's very interesting. And then ang intelligence is your offense. Because without intelligence, you cannot operate.
Yes.
It should be intelligence-driven operations.
Yes.
Okay. Now, what makes you interested with investigation?
Actually, sir, it's mind-boggling section of the station. Dira ako gid binakita, sir. For example, ang eye-opener ko actually was the last time that I filed blotter, no? Sang incident na I will not tell. So didto gid binakita, sir, ang process sang investigation and how they do it. So ako man hindi man ko gusto na kung wherever ko no madala or kung ano man ko na station no is nang masuyaan ta bala nga ano niyang grammar sang pulisya, because kung ano man ang performance ng station, that also reflects sa akon. Being the deputy supervisor or being supervisor man sang aton mga personnel. So as much as possible, hindi man ko gusto na mapakahuyan ang station kung sa diin ko or where I will serve kumbaga.
Paralantaw ka CSI nga TV series, hindi?
Before, but now wala na.
Sa diin ka hasta CSI New York, CSI Los Angeles, o CSI Miami?
Actually, sir, bata ko to, sir. I do not remember kung ano man to na state.
Pero did it inspire you? Nga, ma-investigator ko, ma-police ko.
I don't think so.
Interesting.
Before bata pa ko to be, sir. But I really found it interesting man. I really find it interesting ang process bala sa isa ka police before na hindi lang gid gali amo lang niyang obraya. Damo ang obra sang police, especially when they solve crimes and they solve cold cases. It's really interesting to see it in television, but in reality, hindi amo na kapos bala gakakita ta sa television.
Is it also because nga diri sa Pilipinas we are hampered by lack of equipment, for example, when we do forensic investigation?
Yes, actually, very advanced man ang aton sa abroad, I mean, compared diri sa Philippines, but that is something na ginaamat-amat man naton i-work on, no? So in time we will achieve
Indeed
ang gusto man naton ma-achieve, especially sa aton mga equipments.
Finally, Lieutenant, how would you describe in a nutshell ang imo experience?
Well, bittersweet, you know. My whole experience as the provincial PIO, or at the same time the spokesperson man sang Negros Occidental Police Provincial Office is I'm very privileged actually Sir Julius, no, compared man sang iban, no. Actually I really doubted myself that kung kaya ko ni, since ang position itself is para sa major or lieutenant colonel, ang PIO, the least captain but not lieutenant, and our provincial director in the person of Police Colonel Romy Palge before believed in me. How much more man subong kay Police Colonel Leo Pamitan in giving me the full-fledged na PIO to really head the office. And indeed, I was able to practice man my leadership, no, in making all these programs. We also have newsletter, so damo naman changes sang amon opisina, and seeing my personnel as well na damo man sila na learn from me. I think that's the reward na nakuha ko for being the PIO. Not only for myself, what's important for me is ang mga tao man who was with me throughout the journey, kag damo gid sila na learn. And thank you gid kay, though somehow, no, may nakakilala naman sa akon, ma'am, ikaw to gali siya amo na. So though mini artista kumbaga, but perks lang na siya. What's important for me is the takeaway sa akon position as the outgoing Chief PIO for almost 2 years diri sa Negros Occidental.
Lieutenant Donasco, thank you so much and good luck.
Yes, sir. Thank you so much and see you soon.
See you soon.
The Pioneer, digital first news and information platform in Western Visayas. This is Digital News Exchange. DNX, pagpamahayag sang balanse kag kamatuuran. Pagmangalagat kag pagsaysay nga mapabugan. Mga istorya sang paglaom, lokal nga sugilanon, maintindihan mo dayon, impormasyon sa palad mo. DNX, kaunong sa pagsanyog sang talentong Negrosanon. DNX, katatap sa pagpanalinsing sang pamatanon. Diri ang storya, numdum ka, init nga balita. TV, radyo, diaryo, DNX taya. Diri ang storya, makapanumdum ka, init nga balita. TV, radyo, diaryo, DNX taya. DNX, abyan ka upot mo kami sa imo panakayon. Sa pagbago kag pagtilaw kita mapadayon. Diri ang storya, makapanumdum ka, init nga balita. TV, radyo, diaryo, DNX taya. Mga istorya sang paglaom, lokal nga sugilanon, maintindihan mo dayon, impormasyon sa pagbayan. Mga istorya sang paglaom, lokal nga sugilanon, maintindihan mo dayon, impormasyon. DNX